How do I re-ink my ultra slow drying embossing ink pad from Wow? Now, our original re-inker with the Rollerball is being discontinued, but fear not, we still have the perfect tool to top up your favourite embossing ink pad. This is our mixed media embossing brush. You'll notice that it's very similar to a nail polish brush. This is perfect for applying ink to any surface you want to, and in places that you couldn't get an ink pad to go. But those bristles also work to top up your ink pad really well too. I'm just swiping the ink across my pad, and I can go back in to dip my brush and pick up some more ink too. Now my pad is running really dry, so I'm going to make sure I get plenty of ink on there. Now you may notice there are some wet patches where more ink has gone into the pad than other places, but I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. I'm taking this old gift card and just gently, but with some pressure still, sweeping it across the surface of the pad to help distribute that ink more. You can see that I'm holding the card quite flat against the pad to make sure that I've not got any of the edges scratching, because that could break up the surface of the pad. Now you can leave it to settle for a few minutes before you use it, but it's good to go now. Happy embossing!